Hi everybody, this is Jamie Doherty. I'm going to show you a little technique on how to create wearable jewelry by using your Prima paper flowers. This one is from their Sugar Blooms collection. And we're going to go ahead and work with some clear resin. This brand is made by Liquid Fusion. It's a 2-part mixture. I went ahead and poured my 2 parts. You need a 1-to-1 ratio. And once you pour your mixtures separately, you're going to blend them in together. And you're going to want to make sure that you stir your mixture extremely well. You will notice that there will be air bubbles in your resin. Don't worry about it. They'll dissipate once you've poured or dipped your project into them. Once they start to dry and set, those air bubbles will go away. So as you can see on this flower, the petals have hardened. This is sat for about 3 days. It's completely set, and now it's wearable. You can you won't have to worry about the leaves starting to pull away or it getting dingy or anything. So what I will do now is I'm going to take a pair of tweezers and make sure you work on a nonstick mat with this resin. It'll set anywhere you put it except on these mats. Once the resin is set, you can go ahead and pull it right off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and take my rose and I'm just going to go ahead and dip it into the resin. The whole thing. Let some of the excess drip off. I'm also going to use my little popsicle stick to kind of pull some of the extra off as well. Look around to see if there's any big air pockets. This one looks good. It looks like we've got it covered. Here are 3 that I've poured yesterday. They're still in the setting stage. I would give it until probably tonight or tomorrow morning before I actually work with them. That way I know that they are dry enough for me to handle. And this rose, it started out as this paper rose. And as you can tell, the color variation, it does darken a little bit once you use the resin on them. But they still, they look fine to me. You could tell the red difference on these 2 as well. And what I did once my 3 flowers were set, this is one that I did about, or I poured these, dipped these, sorry, about 3 days ago. And I made a little necklace out of them. I took the back of a watch, an old watch, and I went and adhered my 3 epoxied roses onto it. And now I won't have to worry about my petals wilting off or pulling away. I added a couple little gears for an extra touch. But that's a cool way to use your paper flowers. Another additional way Prima is versatile in the mixed media field. You can make wearable art with them. And I hope that this little tutorial is something you can use in the future. Thank you.